In front of me is Google Pixel 9, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is black, which means that location is off. To turn it back on, click on the same shortcut. If you want to, you can also go into Settings and scroll down to tap on Location section. Then use the switcher next to Use Location to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!